Very cheerful good morning to all my dear students. Once again, I am here with the topic email. Today, we are going to discuss some more options in for the topic email. So let's start. I click on the compose button for one new message. In the last lesson, we had discussed about the two field, and today we are going to discuss about CC and BCC field. So let's start. CC field is also used to specify the email address of the person to whom you want to send the mail. Like I do this, and BCC, click on that. BCC is also used to specify the email address of the person to whom you want to send the mail. So this is the similarity between two CC and BCC field. All three fields are used to specify the email address of the person to whom you want to send the mail. Now, what is the difference between them? If first we start with CC field. CC stands for carbon copy. In this field, let's take one example. If we specify two email address, in this field we specify two email address. If we specify the email addresses in the CC field and we compose a message and we click on send and we send the mail, then both the person will receive the mail. Now, when both the person receive the mail, the first person will be aware about the thing that this mail has been sent to the second person as well, and the second person will also be aware about the thing that this mail has been sent to other person as well. This is the use of CC field. It works same as like two field. But now next is BCC, that is blind carbon copy. If we specify the email address in BCC, then suppose here I specify two email address and I send the mail. In this, when the person received the mail, suppose when the first person received the mail, the first person will never come to know this thing that this mail has been sent to the other person as well, and the second person also will never come to know that this mail has been sent to the first person as well. It means that when we specify the email address in the BCC field, both the recipients will never come to know that this mail has been sent to the other person as well except them. So when we don't want to disclose that we have sent this mail to the other person as well, then you can enter your email addresses in the BCC in BCC field when you don't want to disclose to the other person. So this is all about your CC and BCC field. Now let's discuss some more options. Suppose I open this mail. When you receive the mail, it look like that in the inbox. I click on the mail which I want to open. Then you can see the message like this. So this is how you receive the message. Here, if I click on this arrow, see, it shows some detail to me that from means whom send the mail to me. Here it specifies the person who sent the mail. To means to whom that person sent the mail. Here they send the mail to me, that is why it contains the email address of mine email account. Next is date. on which date, at what time they send the mail. Here it's specified that. Next is subject, the brief description of that what the email is all about. Here it specified the subject field. The rest we will for now will not discuss that. Only this 4 you just need to aware about this 4. The next is that if I click on to this small 3 dots which shows more to me, when I click onto that, we'll discuss only first 2 options. First is reply. Reply means I want to send the mail to this person, to the same person who sent the mail to me. If I click on reply, see, it automatically add the address of the person to whom you want to send the reply or whom send the mail to you. So here I can write down my message. Here I similarly I can that way I can attach my files and all, and then I click on send. So this is how you can reply to give the reply to that person. Next option is forward. When I want to forward this mail to other person, the same mail I want to send to some other person, how you can do that? If you choose, please understand the difference. When I click on reply, we are giving reply back to this person who sent the mail to me, and forward means I want to forward this mail to some other person. Suppose here I enter the email address of this email address I mentioned. Here again I have CC and BCC field, and we type the message here and we click on send. So this is how you can forward the mail to the other person. Alright, now some more option is there. Print all. If you want to take the printout and all, then you can click on this print option. So this is all about the different options related to your email. Thank you so much, students. I hope you understand the topic very well. Try to use all these options by yourself as well.